Gwrywdod positif, perthnasau da, beth maen nhw'n edrych fel dyddi yma. Dyn ni siarad gyda dynion ifanc ar draws Cymru am hyn, ac os ydyn nhw'n gwybod ystyr y term love-bomio. Love-bombing, neu love-bomio. Ydych chi'n clywed am love-bombing o'r blaen?
No. Ddim clem.
Dim clem?
Bombio overwhelming nhw, a wedyn fa just... Dwi'n meddwl sydd ar y tractor wedyn, neu ti wedi kind of dyn nhw'n bach yn fragile neu fatha state nhw. A dwi'n kind of gallu fatha, mae perception nhw'n dyn nhw lef o bach yn ski whiff, a dyn bach yn ski wedyn, ond dyna beth dwi'n meddwl, beth am rhoi cant sicr, so.
Perffaith, oedd yna perffaith. Have you heard of love-bombing?
I'm very guilty of that. I'm very guilty of that. It's, I don't know why, I'm very prone to love-bombing, I have been in the past, but it's just something that you do when you're very young, I think. When you're mature and you don't know how to handle your emotions very well.
Being a good man in 2023, what does positive masculinity mean to you? What do you think?
Still being masculine, but not in a level that it hurts people.
Being nice, basically. The ultimate thing of it is taking responsibility. Being a man is just being a man and just treating people with respect. That's the ultimate thing. It's not all about muscles and strength, and 'cause ultimately that only gets you so far, but the way you treat people and the way you respond to people, that's who you are at the end of the day.
It's just that role model bach o fatha rhywun sy'n parchu pob, dim rhyw fatha patriarchal animalistic mindset, all that kind of stuff. Just fatha a bit of a people person, so bach o fatha everyone, dim fatha no biases in males and females, just fatha respectful of it, so it's...
Just bod di'n caredig, caratus, just bod yn dinis, just personus.
Ti'n credu bod rhywbeth eitha syml? Beth bod perthynas dy partner, perthynas da, yn edrych fel i ti?
So, communicate, so fatha i siarad, dim byd, so fatha parch, fatha...
Yeah?
Fluidity o la, felly mae rwy'n ticio fatha, just fatha cyddi am byd parch teg at, ond just fatha ride the wave yn fatha fluid o la.
Beth yw'r si te? What's the secret o ran cadw perthynas yn dda?
Siario bod dim cadw'n byd wrth i.
Unrhyw top tips ar y ddechrau?
Byddai'n chdi, just byddai'n iawn, bod dim allan o'r plas. Just byddai'n chdi, os dwi'n gweithio allan fod, ond iawn, na, symud y flag.
Ti wedi clywed am gaslightio? Gaslighting? Ti eisiau dyfalu beth mae gaslighting yn meddwl o bosib?
Na, clem.
Dim clem? Gaslightio, neu gaslighting.
Dwi wedi clywed da.
OK.
Ar Married at First Sight. Dyna sydd wedi clywed.
I radda, dim... Dwi'n bod, bach manipulation tactics, i radda.
Beth mae gaslighting yn ei olygu?
Dwi'n meddwl, hyd a'ch chi'n neud y person arall teimlo, dydyn nhw ddim yn iawn. Chi sy'n iawn. Gaslighting, yeah.
It sounds familiar, but please
It's where you almost manipulate the other person to make them believe they're wrong when they're actually correct. Mae'n ceisio gwneud i rhyw person arall meddwl bod nhw'n anghywir nhw, bod nhw'n mynd fatha fel crazy, a soso nhw yn.
Dwi wedi gael hynna fy hyn.
Ti wedi cael profiad o hwnna?
Do.
Iawn. Do beth? Cyn fatha fel effaith seicolegol negyddol arnyn nhw.